Hey y'all, this video really is just for fun. Amos thought he'd bring the grinder over today and start working on, he's wanting to make a smoker out of the old hot water heater. So here's our dewalt grinder DW400 in action via Amos. Enjoy. Here's gonna build a smoker.
Huh?
Guess we'll see how that turns out. He's going through a big bunch of blades right now. About chewed that one up. Let me see it. What kind of tool is that?
A grinder?
dewalt grinder. Is there a name on it? Like a model or anything? DW400. I'm sure we bought that cheap. We wouldn't have had it, but is it doing a good job?
Huh?
Is it doing a good job?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll check back later when you get all the way through it, maybe. We'll call this Amos Makes a Smoker. Try number 1. Do you care that you've almost eat up that whole blade?
Huh?
Your blade's about chewed all the way up. You're getting into the... Yeah. Probably time to swap it out.